Hello guys, welcome back to Code Brains. Hope you guys are doing fine. Well, I'm fine, but as the situation is going from bad to worse day by day, one side situation of war on our heads, and second, Corona is spreading its terror again. We are starting to face lockdown once again. So let's hope for the best, and let's hope that we will survive this calamity as soon as possible. So guys, even in this situation, our college has no pity on us. It didn't show any pity on us. It has started with something called as online classes, which I doubt anybody is enjoying. Well, the situation has yet again gone from bad to worse. Our college has been started and the semester has been resumed. So in this particular semester, many students have a similar subject. I guess they have same subject known as Java, and they are wondering that how do they run Java in their system? What all are requirements for Java to run in their system? So I'll be mentioning few of the Java IDEs, which are BlueJ, CodeNB, Docker Java, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, JDevelopers, as well as NetBeans. These all IDEs will run in your Linux, macOS, as well as Windows. In this particular video, I'll be focusing on NetBeans only. I'll be telling you how to install it and what is the prerequisite for this to be installed. So for your Java IDEs to work in your system, you need something called as JDK, which is also known as Java Development Kit. This is an essential kit without which your Java applications will not run. So mind it that you download it. Well, of course, I'll be telling you that how to download it and provide you the link for it also. So let's get started. So the link is given in the description for both the softwares, JDK as well as NetBeans IDE. You can copy from there and download, and boom, you're ready. So let's start with JDK. Open your browser, any browser, and paste the link. It will take you to the JDK site. You need to click on Java SE downloads. The next page, you need to click on JDK downloads and then choose like JDK for the OS which you want, like you're working on. I'm using Windows, so I'll be installing it for Windows. Click on this, you need to agree their terms and click on download. You will get a dialog box and you can choose the location where you want to download this software. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. You can download it and uh, just follow along. The next will be NetBeans. So for that, the link is given in the description as well. So copy the link, paste it in your address bar. It will take you to the NetBeans site. You need to click on download, and this is the latest version for Apache NetBeans 12 LTS NB 12.0. You can download the previous versions also. I would suggest you whichever version you download, it shows LTS after their version, because that means long-term support and it will be very stable, and you won't have any problems working with it. You will keep on getting patches as well as updates. But why do you want to go for the older version when you have the newer one? Your choice. So click on download. You will get an option yet again to choose for which OS you want to download and which version. That is 64-bit or 32-bit. You can navigate below and find out. It should be somewhere over or somewhere in this page only. Since I'm using Windows OS, I'll be installing for Windows, meaning downloading for Windows. Here are the mirror links. You can click on any of them for download. Let's click on this one and you get the dialog box saying where you want to download it. I have downloaded this IDE software as well. So download it and follow with me after that. So I have downloaded the software and here are the two which you'll be working on. So first thing you need to install is JDK. It will give me an error because I already have JDK installed and I don't want to reinstall it. I'll just tell you what all you need to do. Well, actually it is pretty simple. Yes, see, it is showing me that I already have it. Well, actually just reinstall it, doesn't matter. Just removing it from my system and I will have it reinstalled. It is pretty simple. You just need to click on this next, select the file location. I would suggest you to keep it as default, like wherever it's going. That's basically going on in your program files in C. So it will probably take a minute and it will be done with your JDK installation. Yes, I'm done. Just to see I installed it successfully, just go to command prompt, type in cmd and type java c hyphen version, not version. If you install the JDK successfully, you should get this message saying Java C version, whatever you have opted for. You can also type one more command to see Java is ready for your system or not. That is Java hyphen hyphen version. It says your JRE is ready, your Java virtual machine is also ready, and your Java is also ready with the version and the date you have installed. The next thing which you would require is setting up the environment variables. Well, I have already done it, but I will show you how to do it. Right click on your this PC or the PC or system window, go to properties, go to advanced settings and click on environment variables. And this is what you need to change. You have two options, user variable as well as system variables. You have nothing to do with user variables because you will be creating in your program only. For system variables, you need to find where is path, double click on path and you will get this dialog box. This is my environment variable path, like this is the path where my JDK has been installed. So let's find out where it has been. Mostly if you have not changed your default install location, it should be in your program file saying Java and this is your JDK folder. You need to go to bin and you need to copy this address from your address bar and come here, click on new and paste that address and click on OK. Since I've already done it, I won't do it again because multiple path variables might cause a problem later. So click OK. Next, what you need to do is create another address, that is Java home address. Click on new and in caps type Java underscore home, and for the variable value what you need to do is just go one directory back, that is in your JDK version folder. You need to copy this address and where did it go? Yeah, here. You need to paste it over here and click on OK and OK once again, and with this your environment variable will be ready. Now your JDK has been successfully installed and your environmental variable has been set up. Next thing is NetBeans. So let's install that. New folder. Let's install NetBeans. Apache NetBeans. It shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes for installation, depending on specs of your computer or laptop. Let's see. Uh, you can click on customize, but I think these are the things which you will require. But actually, if you don't want HTML, JavaScript, PHP, then you can customize and change it. But I will go with them. Click on next. I agree the terms. Click on next again. This is my installation location. I'm not going to change it. If you like, you can. If you want it to continuously check for updates, you can check this check button. I want it to continuously check it, and if there is a version, it should install again, like automatically. So let's click on install. Wait for a while and your NetBeans would have been officially installed in your system and you'll be ready to do your Java programming. Okay, so NetBeans has been installed successfully. All plugins are up to date and I'm ready to launch. So let's click on finish. It should automatically launch, but I don't see it launching. I'll launch it myself. This should be your workspace. Just close the properties. Why is it showing me this? Well, I think you won't get this type of interface. Like, you will get this type of interface, but this workspace would be a bit different for you guys. Let's see if I click on new project, what happens. So I guess this workspace would be filled with lots of directories and folders. What I would recommend you is remove them, like delete them or remove them however possible. Just remove it from this workspace, and when you get this empty workspace, then you are ready to do your work. So next you need to click on open project, and you need to make sure that you are using this Java with ANT. Then you click your project and click on next, then name your project. Let's name it name, and this is the location where you are saving your projects. And make sure that you check this check button, create a main class. This is very, like, this is essential for your program to run. If you don't do it, then you will get an error saying that main class not found, and that is the main error which everyone is they're facing this problem. So let's click on finish, and it will automatically generate your project to work on. My main workspace is ready. Let's type a simple hello statement which would print hello. And voila, our statement is running. That means our programming will work nicely. So I hope this helped you guys, and go on with your Java programming. I hope my video helps you in any way it could, and you're ready to program. So guys, thank you for your support. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please like, subscribe and comment. If any doubts or queries, please feel free to comment down in the comment section or text me in my personal social accounts. So thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's